Expandi Tutorial and Demo. Basically how to use Expandi, but for a short explanation, Expandi is in general a cloud-based LinkedIn automation tool designed for lead generation and outreach campaigns. So to get started, you can go ahead and enter the expandi.io website. You can go here to the login section and sign up, or you could choose this free trial option. Well, once you've signed up, it should show something like this. So what describes your role or company best? You're gonna have to choose these first so that your experience will be much better, since it will automatically base it on your kind of preferences. So let's say we want it as sales. How familiar you are? Let's say we've never used this before, completely new, and then your workspace name. So that pretty much depends on you and what you will put in this, since it is your own name. But once that's done, just go ahead and press on next. And of course, you're gonna have to connect your LinkedIn account as well. So put in your LinkedIn credentials, or you could even just install a Chrome extension, and in 3 minutes you can start your outreach campaign. So once your campaign is active, Expandi runs entirely in the cloud, so your computer doesn't need to stay on. The dashboard just lets you track acceptance rates, replies, and overall campaign performance in real time. You can even pause leads who respond, A/B test different message variations, and adjust targeting to improve results. But overall, Expandi makes it pretty much easier to automate LinkedIn outreach while keeping personalization and performance tracking in one place. But just go ahead and get yourself an account for Expandi, and you should be able to easily make use of this service itself. But hopefully the information of this video can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.